Do you know the power of neuro-linguistic programming techniques? Neuro-linguistic programming, called in short form NLP, is a very powerful tool to reprogram your mind. You can do healing, you can do a lot of things with that. So my friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. Now my friend, I started using NLP since 1991 in a small way. Then I got my first training in NLP in 1995, and then I attended a training program by Richard Bandler in Bangalore, in Hyderabad, 7-day training program, and get certified by him as a practitioner. And then I invited William Horton, NF-NLP, and get certified as a NLP trainer. I am using NLP technique in my personal sessions with the clients, and I use a lot with the top level sportsmen. And my friend, I have worked with the golfers. I work with top golfers right now, still working with the golfers, snooker players, tennis player, badminton player, the boxers who got a medal in Olympics, plus all varieties of area. Plus I work with the top level CEOs to help them to become successful in their life. I am using NLP regularly for more than almost 30 years now, and I conduct workshop on neuro-linguistic programming. Neuro-linguistic programming is a very powerful and fast tool. You can make changes in the person within a few minutes. So good news is, my friend, I am conducting a workshop, a WhatsApp workshop, so you don't need to come to Hyderabad to attend the workshop, and conducting on a WhatsApp a full 28-day certificate course. Now this workshop contains more than 55 HD quality videos plus all the instructions and manuals. So let me tell you what you will learn in 28 days. So friends, welcome again. See, I am showing you what you will learn in NLP Practitioner video course. Now this is a course on WhatsApp, a video course. You will get lessons for 28 working days. That means you will not get any lessons on Sundays. Sundays you can practice what you have learned. Now let me explain to you what you will learn in 28 days. See, you can see the dates here. Introduction to the course, lesson 1, important tips for NLP, lesson 2, that will be the first day. Then what is NLP, sample exercises. Now my friend, I don't believe in theory, I believe in practice. So you will be complete lot of exercises there which I will be guiding you. 4 steps of learning, different states of mind, mind triggers and anchors. Anchors is a very powerful tool. Initially first few days we will be talking about one small exercise to let you know how these techniques works, and then you can start using them in detail with the other advanced techniques. Then associated and dissociated, pacing and future pacing, NLP presupposition, very important. VAK, visual auditory kinesthetic, for improving your sensory exercise. Now everything is, most of them are exercise, observing exercise, VAK exercise for self, VAK eyeball movement exercise, developing a repo, advanced tips on repo building. Now here on the 8th day you will get a downloaded link of my live recorded program which I gave a lecture on developing, which is actually we sell it for 2,500, you will get as a bonus here. The repo building using breathing, NLP, submodalities. Submodalities is what you see in mind, you know. I call it mental Vastu Shastra also. You will learn about it. Good feeling, good picture, how to change the feeling inside your mind and feel good. And then let go of the bad picture. Now this technique on, if you have a stress or anxiety reversal technique, then inner voice, NLP anchoring technique, different ways. Now we are getting into detail in NLP. NLP is the most powerful tool to reprogram your mind. You can do a lot of things with the anchoring. And we have a lot of anchors inside our body, already done unconsciously. Then you will learn 6 steps anchoring process, types of anchors, collapsing anchors, chaining anchor demo. Now some of the things I will take you to my live seminar, and those videos will show you there so you understand how it works. Chaining anchor, stuck situation. Now many times we feel stuck in our life, how to come out of it. It is a very powerful tool. You can come out of your stuck situation anytime. Sometimes, mind is not working, body is not working. This technique is very, very powerful. Now, chaining anchor, it's a demo. Sliding anchor, you can slide your anchor, make it powerful, make it instantly. And then comes the questions for anchoring, how you can anchor others, what question to be asked. Then we come to goal setting timeline technique, because timeline is very, very powerful. Pathway to the goal, circle of excellence. This is a resource circle. You can use this circle for anything you want. If you're going to meet somebody, you feel less confident or fearful, you can use this technique, pre-program your mind for a future event. It can be today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, maybe after a month. This feeling will be linked and waiting for that event to happen. Then you learn generating a new behavior. Now, generating a new behavior is a technical word, actually mastering new skill faster. How you can steal other person's skills. Yes, my friend, legally. Then we come to fast phobia cure. There will be 3 different techniques. Then meta model, SIS technique, reframing, perceptual position exercises, NLP part therapy. Now we have a different part in our mind. Some parts you want to become successful, a part of you want to become successful, a part of you stop it. How you can manage this part? There will be a wonderful exercise so that you start becoming successful instantly. And then motivational anchor. This is the most powerful technique which we are going to do at the end of this course. Then the closing. This is 28 days, and you can see around 57 lessons here, and all are video lessons. Plus, we'll be giving you some bonuses. I have conducted one bonus is developing a repo video downloadable link you will get, so you can download it and watch those videos, which is more than 2,500. Then we have conducted a workshop. I have conducted a workshop long time back in Mumbai. It is an audio program of 3-day live recorded program which we normally sell for 4,000 rupees. That will be also part of a bonus. And then the bonus is available till 25th of December. The workshop is starting on 28th December for 28 days. Remember, it is a certificate program. Once you join this workshop, once you do the exercise, you send us some video clipping of yours that you are doing it perfectly. We'll give you a certificate that you are a certified NLP practitioner from Institute of Mind Control Development, my company here in Hyderabad. And now the fees for this workshop is, normally when we conduct this workshop, we charge more than 30,000 rupees because of the 3-day program. Normally we do in 3-day program live in Hyderabad, and people come from all over India and abroad to attend this workshop. You end up spending more than 10,000 rupees, 10 to 12,000 rupees on flight, and you end up spending hotel charges. You may end up spending more than 60,000 rupees to attend this workshop. Now, as you are attending this workshop live in Hyderabad, you are attending this workshop live. You are attending this workshop on WhatsApp, so you don't need to come to Hyderabad. And fees for the workshop is only, you don't pay 60,000, don't pay 30,000, don't pay even 10,000, not even 5,000. It is not even 2,000. It is only 1,100 plus GST. That's come to 1,298, and that includes bonus material more than 8,000 rupees if you register before 25th of December. This workshop is starting on 28th December. So my friend, if you want to become a certified NLP trainer, what is NLP practitioner? You know what you can do? You can use this NLP technique. If you are a healer, you can use for healing purposes. If you are a hypnotherapist, combine hypnosis and NLP together, you can do a wonderful job with your clients. I am already doing it and start making good money out of it. Plus, if you don't want to do on anybody else, you can use this technique on yourself. Because I have taught this technique to top sportsmen, and they are using daily, regularly, and they are becoming very, very successful. And they started winning tournaments. I have more than 150 wins only in golf in last 13 years of my training, mind coaching with the golfers. And so my friend, if you really want to become successful, want to use this technique, this is a course for you. Enroll right now. The energy exchange you can do with the Googlepay, Paytm, Phonepe, and send us a screenshot. Remember, when you do the energy exchange, this is my personal number there, and when you do, please check Pradeep Aggarwal is there, because many people are stealing my products and selling from different places. So be careful. Number one. Number two, if you want to pay through credit card, go to the website link given there. You can use PayUmoney, only use it for credit card. Don't use it for any other system, otherwise your money will get stuck there. It happened in the past. Only if you want to use a credit card and you go to my website, we have a bank detail also over there. So you can do a fund transfer. Send us the screenshot on the number given below, not on my personal number. On the number below, we will immediately add you in a WhatsApp group and you will be qualifying for the bonus offers also. So my friend, register right now and see you on 28th of December on the WhatsApp. So thank you very much and see you soon. Enroll right now and get the benefit. Thank you very much.